If you have German ancestors, the hardest part of research is often figuring out the exact town where your family lived. German records were usually kept at the local parish or civil registry office, so identifying the correct town is the key to finding records. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 completely free German genealogy websites, including a few that many researchers overlook. One of the best places to start researching German ancestors is FamilySearch. FamilySearch hosts one of the largest collections of German genealogical records available online, and is completely free with a simple account. Their collections include church registers, civil registration records, and many other historical documents. Some records are indexed and searchable by name, while others can be browsed by town and year. If you're researching German ancestors, this is often the first place to check. Another excellent website for church records is Matricula Online. Matricula hosts digitized Catholic parish registers from many archives in Germany and other parts of Europe. These church books record baptisms, marriages, and burials, and some of them go back several centuries. The site does not offer name searches, so researchers browse the records by diocese, parish, and year, but you can view the original record images completely free. Another valuable resource is Genealogy.net, a website run by the German Society for Computer Genealogy. This site hosts several databases, including surname databases, cemetery indexes, digitized local heritage books, and shared family trees. Researchers often use these databases to locate families connected to specific towns and regions. Closely connected to this project is the website Online Ortsfamilienbücher. Ortsfamilienbücher means local family books. These books were created by historians who reconstructed the families of a village using parish records and other sources. The online OFB website hosts thousands of these village family histories. If your ancestor lived in a town that has one of these books, you may be able to trace several generations of families who live there. German historical address books are another interesting resource for family history research. The Address Book Project, hosted by Genealogy.net, provides digitized city directories from many German towns and cities, especially from the 19th and early 20th centuries. These directories list residents, occupations, and addresses, which can help you locate where an ancestor lived and sometimes even where they worked. Once you identify the town where your ancestors lived, another extremely helpful tool is Meyers' Gazetteer. This website is based on a detailed 1912 directory of places in the German Empire. When you search for a town, it shows information about nearby villages, the civil registry office, and the Catholic and Protestant parishes that serve that location. It also includes historical maps that can be compared with modern maps. Finally, if your ancestors came from eastern regions that were once part of Germany but are now located in Poland, a website called Kartenmeister can be extremely helpful. After World War II, many German place names were changed. Kartenmeister helps researchers convert historic German towns into their modern Polish equivalents and provides geographic information that helps locate those places today. German genealogy research can seem complicated at first, but once you've identified where they came from, it becomes much easier to locate records and learn more about your ancestors and the communities where they lived. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What part of Germany did your ancestors come from? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering free genealogy tools like these, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, good luck with your German research, and I'll see you in the next one.